Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a very home style recipe. This is Paneer Matar Malai. This is something I've been preparing for almost 12-13 years now, and my family has thoroughly enjoyed it. So here is how I prepare it. I've pureed the onion and reserved it. The same with the tomato. I've pureed the tomato and I've reserved it. You can also finely chop your onion and tomato if you don't like it pureed. I'll be using peas which is boiled, paneer which is cubed and reserved, fresh cream, asafoetida. Here I'll be using coriander powder, chili powder, chicken tikka masala, garam masala and turmeric powder. We'll require butter, some milk powder, cumin seeds and ginger and garlic paste. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. In a wok I've added oil and butter. Once the butter has melted, I've added the pureed onions. I'm just going to fry the onions till the raw flavor from the onion has reduced. This will roughly take about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Here you can see the onion is starting to change its color and the oil is separated. So just keep frying it and add all the spice powders. Add salt and fry all the spice powders in the onion. We need to fry it for a minute's time. At this point I'll add the tomato puree and I'll fry it for another 5 to 6 minutes. The oil has to separate. Now once the tomato has fried well, that is when we'll be adding the milk powder. We'll combine the milk powder. We'll add the peas. The reason why I've added the milk powder is it gives a good creamy texture. Now I'll add water. We need to boil this masala. Leave it to boil for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes I've added the cubed paneer and mixed the paneer well in the masala. I've added fresh cream. Now I'll combine the fresh cream in the masala. Make sure the cream doesn't split and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. Now once the paneer, peas and the masala has boiled and it's cooked well, switch it off and remove from the flame. Heat a small fry pan, add oil, add your cumin seeds and asafoetida. Allow it to splutter nicely. Now this tadka or the tempering, I'll be adding it to the gravy. I've added finely chopped coriander. I'll be adding the tempering. We'll cover the gravy and allow it to sit for a minute's time. After a minute, I'll mix the gravy well and serve it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also find this recipe written on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. This Paneer Matar Malai pairs very well with chapatis. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.